Unbelievable. Brutal. Start your journey with the HSM 405H3 steep slope. A 150 horsepower machine built to tackle steep terrain. Enhance tillage efficiency and ensure superior durability in all conditions. Next up is a super powerful tree cutter, equipped with a 180 horsepower engine and weighing in at 12,125 pounds. The scissor wheel on side leaner system helps to precisely control the angle of the tree, maximizing performance and ensuring absolute safety during the logging process. Entering the world of logging, you cannot miss the Ponce K121 HSP052. This machine, with 290 horsepower and a weight of 46,290 pounds, can easily handle different types of wood, even in difficult terrain conditions. The Gens 1300 HP, equipped with a 1,300 horsepower engine and weighing up to 44,092 pounds, is one of the top professional wood chipper machines. With its outstanding performance, the machine easily handles large volumes of wood, meeting all the strict requirements of large-scale logging projects. More than just a machine, the John Deere 540 G3 skidder is the ultimate solution for the forestry industry. With a 190 horsepower engine and a payload of 23,149 pounds, the machine operates efficiently, improving logging productivity. Leave a 1 if you're excited about these mighty machines. With the K700, your timber business will save significant time and labor thanks to its powerful 300 horsepower engine and 26,455 pound lifting capacity. It is the perfect solution to increase productivity and optimize profitability for forestry projects. Oh no. Hard to believe. The LKT-80, powered by a 160 horsepower engine and weighing in at 17,637 pounds, packs a serious punch. Capable of hauling several tons of lumber, it's ready to tackle any job site challenge. If you are looking for the ultimate solution for waste wood processing, the Moorbark 30RXL Skiv Hug wood chipper is the perfect answer. With a powerful 755 horsepower engine and a weight of 48,509 pounds, the large wood chipper is fast and efficient. The Hockey Pilka Easy, 50 HD's fast, precise wood cutting ability will really surprise you. With a powerful 37 horsepower motor, the Hockey Pilka Easy 50 HD, and a weight of only 2,645 pounds, it will meet all your wood cutting needs. The TDTT-55 is unbelievably powerful. Equipped with a 240 horsepower engine and weighing 23,149 pounds, the TDT-55 is a versatile machine that is both powerful and durable. The machine easily conquers all terrains, bringing high working efficiency in mining. The more rugged the terrain, the more Kamaz 53228 proves its strength and durability, being a great assistant for heavy work. The large load capacity and strong pulling power make Kamaz 53228 the optimal solution for transporting wood on forest roads. Next are the super powerful wood chipper machines with 300 horsepower engines and weighing up to 44,092 pounds. Thanks to their superior power, wood chipper machines quickly create smooth wood chips, improving production efficiency. Oh my God. Join me as we witness the breathtaking rescue of a giant dump truck that suddenly overturned in the middle of a construction site. With rhythm and precision, the wheel loader and excavator worked together to bring the giant dump truck back to safety in a split second. With a 240 horsepower D240 diesel engine and a weight of 15,432 pounds, the GAZ 66 confidently conquers any terrain. Whether it is mud, sand, gravel, or rugged mountain roads, the vehicle can easily overcome them, ensuring high performance and outstanding durability.
Будки вода.
It's hard to believe that such a powerful machine can operate durably in such harsh environments. With a 450 horsepower diesel engine, the D10R easily lifts huge loads of dirt and rocks, demonstrating the superior strength of a machine weighing 110,231 pounds. Designed to overcome all pipe-laying challenges, the Booma Loading Cat 589 pipe layer is a tough warrior in harsh conditions. With the power of a 280 horsepower diesel engine and an impressive weight of 132,277 pounds, the Booma Loading Cat 589 pipe layer ensures stable progress and outstanding efficiency. The copper ore short Disiku is a powerful copper ore crusher, boasting a 350 horsepower engine and weighing up to 33,069 pounds. Ensuring superior crushing performance and durability in the harsh working conditions of ore mines.